Welcome to the hand mining walkthrough. Because of its adaptability in confined spaces, hand mining is typically used for short tunnel drives in appropriate ground conditions. Hand mining, taking place here at high level, should only be used where mechanical excavation is not reasonably practicable. This walkthrough consists of 4 different scenes. Have a good look around in all the scenes to check out the activities that are taking place. Your journey here starts in a previously formed section of inclined spray concrete lined, or SCL, tunnel. The hand mining activity here is creating a space, as part of the design, excavated out of both sides of the SCL tunnel at the top of the incline. Excavated material from the works is being disposed down the red rubbish chute in the spoil collection area in the lower level, where you are standing. See the operative here in the red helmet. Is this worker wearing all the necessary personal protective equipment, or PPE, to ensure he is adequately protected while performing this job? Note the sign demarking the spoil collection area as an exclusion zone. Is the signage all that is needed to warn others about this area being an exclusion zone? If not, what else could be used? At the far end of the bench, behind where the operative is standing, you can see information boards have been attached to the tunnel wall. These boards display copies of important documents about the works, such as risk assessments, method statements, and work permits. To the right of the information boards, there is a blue pigeonhole box. This is one of the locations in the tunnel where self-rescue sets are stored. Self-rescue sets should only be used in an emergency situation requiring self-rescue, and personnel should be trained in their use. Further along the workbench, a circular saw has been set up to cut the timber required for ground support in the hand mining works above. How would you rate the working conditions here for those who need to operate this saw? Good or bad? Why? Next to the saw on the workbench, a fire point has been established. Consider the accessibility of this safety equipment. Can these fire extinguishers be easily accessed in the event of a fire emergency? Should a carbon dioxide, CO2 type extinguisher be used in a confined space? What hazard could the use of a CO2 extinguisher produce? Located on the tunnel wall between the end of the workbench and the stack of timber beyond, note the Trolex atmospheric monitoring units mounted here. These monitoring units are constantly checking atmospheric conditions in this location. The monitors will alarm if atmospheric conditions are detected above or below preset exposure limits for the agreed range of atmospheric gases being detected and analysed.